catch a hold of it. Have we got that bearing removed at all yet? No, we have not. Let's knock the upper bearing out first. Get a better grip on the bottom one. All these little bearings. Save these for my slingshot. Try not to damage it. The upper bearing may still be good, but we're going to replace both of them. Don't knock it off the jack stand. Oh boy. Yeah, that one don't feel too good either. There's a dust cap for it. Oh good, here's a dust cap for the other bearing. All right. Walking this down all over the table. There you go. Now we can get that. Let me grab that first chisel I have. That thing's good and sharp. Yeah, now we get the big punch in there. Like clearance. Because you got to get right past that lip right there. You got to get right on it. I don't believe we even got it moved yet. Ooh, we got the doster sweating now. We got it to move a little bit. Slowly getting it.